Hi guys, good morning. So, ang oras natin ngayon is 7:31 and I'm gonna do a recovery run because I was planning to do a tempo run. But ChatGPT suggested to do a recovery run because nag-LSD ako nung isang araw. So, ngayon 30 to 45 minutes ngayon na 2-minute walk and run for 165 beats per minute. So, yeah, mag-stretch muna tayo, warm up muna tayo. I think that's it. Let's go guys. Magla-live jog ako ng twice and then run na ako. Let's go. Bye-bye. See you later. Hi. Almost done with my fourth circuit. So, binabaan ko ng 164 BPM kasi medyo nahirapan ako huminga. So, yeah. Bye-bye. See you later. I'm on my fifth circuit. And nakita ko lang diba? Si Kuntang Kit na nagbabalik. Nag-smile na naman kami sa isa. Guys, eto na ba yun? Is this it? Tinikitig na naman ako. Salubong ulit kami pero parang hindi siya yun. Good morning! Sabi ko, hi! For eyesight. Kaya huwag kayo makupit guys. Hindi ko na cellphone. Para malinaw ang mata. Sa guys, hindi naman. In life. Very happy. Okay lang. Have coming to a conclusion kanina kagabi. I'll just wait in God's timing. Nakakapagod kasi to find it myself. Kasi nga in the first place, I'm meant to be pursued. Not to be the pursuer. Yeah. Pero sa malapit ng camera. See you later. Lapit na ako matapos. One circuit na lang. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much for coming with me. Hope you have a great day. I hope you take care of yourself. Huwag niyo akong lagayin guys kasi magtutuwa na ako natulog kagabi. I wanna be a good steward of God's gift, which is my life. Not really a gift. Super lang sa sabi ng Lord. What He entrusted to me, I should be a good steward. Anyway guys, I'll see you later. Tomorrow, I don't know. See you when I see you.